I'm Sabrina. I'm one of the voices of Parlance, and I'm also a real person. All of my recordings are custom made, right here in the Parlance Sound Studio. Behind my voice is the Parlance speech technology engine. Together, we create a human experience. I listen to your callers and transfer them where they need to go. I speak fluent Spanish, así que si necesitas grabaciones en español, no hay problema. I answer the phone 24 hours a day, I'm never sick, and I don't take vacations. Think of me as part of your team. You do the human stuff like empathizing and problem solving, and I'll do the routine transfers. Together, we'll maximize the value of your live support team and create a great caller experience.